Step into the world of strength, power, and muscle building secrets. Get ready to unravel the mysteries behind the magic trio that fuels the fitness realm: protein powder, creatine, and BCAAs. From enhancing performance to accelerating recovery, these potent supplements have become staples in the pursuit of peak physical prowess. But what sets them apart? How do they work their wonders? Join us as we dive into the depths of these nutritional powerhouses, unlocking the knowledge you need to sculpt your physique and elevate your game. Prepare to unleash your inner titan as we explore the ins and outs of protein powder, creatine, and BCAAs, your ultimate guide to unlocking boundless strength and achieving unprecedented gains. All you need to know about protein. Protein powder is a popular dietary supplement that provides a concentrated source of protein in powdered form. It is commonly used by athletes, bodybuilders, and individuals looking to increase their protein intake. Here's what you need to know about protein powder. Protein sources. Protein powder can be derived from various sources, including whey, casein, soy, pea, rice, hemp, and more. Each protein source has its own unique amino acid profile and absorption rate. Types of protein powder. Whey protein. Whey protein is one of the most commonly used protein powders. It is derived from milk and is rich in essential amino acids. Whey protein is quickly absorbed by the body, making it ideal for post-workout recovery. Casein protein. Casein protein is also derived from milk, but it is absorbed more slowly than whey protein. It provides a sustained release of amino acids, making it suitable for prolonged periods of protein synthesis, such as overnight. Soy protein. Soy protein is derived from soybeans and is a popular choice for vegetarians and vegans. It contains all essential amino acids and is suitable for individuals with lactose intolerance or milk allergies. Protein powders typically vary in their protein content. It's important to check the label to determine the amount of protein per serving. Most protein powders contain around 20 to 30 grams of protein per serving. Protein powders provide a complete or incomplete amino acid profile, depending on the protein source. Complete proteins contain all 9 essential amino acids, while incomplete proteins lack 1 or more essential amino acids. Whey and soy protein are complete proteins, while rice and pea protein are incomplete but can be combined to form a complete protein. It is essential for muscle building and recovery. When consumed after exercise, protein helps repair muscle fibers and promotes muscle growth. It also supports the synthesis of enzymes, hormones, and other vital molecules in the body. All you need to know about creatine. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound that plays a crucial role in energy production within the body. It is also available as a popular dietary supplement. Here's what you need to know about creatine. Creatine is stored in the muscles and helps regenerate adenosine triphosphate, ATP, which is the primary energy source for muscular contractions. It enhances the production of ATP during high-intensity, short-duration activities, such as weightlifting, sprinting, and jumping. Benefits of creatine supplementation. Increase strength and power. Creatine supplementation has been shown to enhance muscular strength and power, allowing individuals to lift heavier weights, perform explosive movements, and improve athletic performance. Improved exercise performance. Creatine has been found to enhance performance in activities that require short bursts of intense effort, such as sprints, jumping, and repeated bouts of high-intensity exercise. Increased muscle mass. Creatine supplementation may lead to an increase in lean body mass, primarily through water retention within the muscles and an increase in protein synthesis. Enhanced recovery. Creatine has been suggested to aid in post-exercise recovery by reducing muscle damage and inflammation, as well as promoting glycogen replenishment. Cognitive benefits. Some research suggests that creatine may have cognitive benefits, such as improved memory, attention, and brain function. However, more studies are needed to fully understand these effects. Creatine loading and maintenance phase. When starting creatine supplementation, a loading phase is often recommended to quickly saturate the muscles with creatine. This typically involves consuming a higher dose of creatine, around 20 grams, spread throughout the day for 5 to 7 days. After the loading phase, a maintenance dose of around 3 to 5 grams per day is commonly used to maintain elevated creatine levels in the muscles. Timing and dosage. Creatine can be taken at any time of the day. Some individuals prefer to take it before or after workouts. The recommended dosage for creatine supplementation is typically 3 to 5 grams per day during the maintenance phase. It's important to follow the instructions provided by the specific product or consult with a healthcare professional for personalized recommendations. Safety and side effects. Creatine is generally considered safe for healthy individuals when used as directed. However, some people may experience minor side effects, such as gastrointestinal discomfort, bloating, or water retention. Drinking an adequate amount of water can help minimize these effects. Individuals with pre-existing kidney or liver conditions should consult with a healthcare professional before using creatine. All you need to know about BCAAs. BCAAs, or branched-chain amino acids, are a group of essential amino acids that include leucine, isoleucine, and valine. They are commonly used as a dietary supplement to support muscle growth, exercise performance, and recovery. Here's what you need to know about BCAAs. BCAAs are considered essential amino acids because the body cannot produce them on its own, so they must be obtained from dietary sources or supplements. They play a crucial role in protein synthesis and muscle maintenance. Muscle protein synthesis. Leucine, one of the BCAAs, is particularly important for stimulating muscle protein synthesis. It activates a key pathway in the body called the mammalian target of rapamycin, mTOR, which regulates muscle growth and repair. Exercise performance and recovery. BCAAs have been suggested to improve exercise performance and reduce muscle soreness. They can be beneficial during prolonged or intense exercise by providing an alternative energy source for the muscles and reducing muscle protein breakdown. Muscle sparing. During periods of calorie restriction or intense exercise, BCAAs may help preserve muscle mass by providing the body with a readily available source of amino acids. This can be especially relevant during endurance activities or when following a low-calorie diet. Ratios and leucine content. BCAA supplements are often formulated with a specific ratio of leucine, isoleucine, and valine, commonly 2:1:1. This ratio reflects the higher leucine content, as it is considered the most important BCAA for muscle protein synthesis. Combination with other supplements. BCAAs are often combined with other ingredients such as carbohydrates, electrolytes, or caffeine in pre-workout or intra-workout supplements. These combinations aim to provide additional energy, hydration, or performance benefits. While BCAA supplements can be useful for specific situations, it's important to note that consuming a balanced diet that includes a variety of protein sources already provides an adequate intake of BCAAs for most individuals. Factors such as overall diet, training status, and individual differences in metabolism can influence the outcomes. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Thank you, guys, for tuning in.